I'm about to tell you how I built a great following on LinkedIn, as well as 3 of the worst mistakes that you can make when building out your LinkedIn profile. But first, please take a second and subscribe. I'm always putting out new videos on how you can grow your networks and also grow in the field of cybersecurity, which I am in as well. So let me start you out with my morning routine. I get up, I grab my sweet tea, I put the dogs out, and the first thing I do is I go to LinkedIn and I log in, and the feed that I see is people that I have connected with. When I've connected with these people, I expect to see good content from them. I connect to people that are engaging in the community, that are always giving to the community. When I connect to them, I always try to introduce myself and engage with them. When they put out good content, I make sure that I take the time to let them know that your content is great. That's one of the first things I do, is I engage with the community. The second thing that I do to build out my profile is I connect to nearly anyone in the industry that I'm in. Even if they are just aspiring to get into the field, which my field is cybersecurity, even if they're just aspiring to get into this field, I still connect to them if they have great engagement, because many of the people who engage with them might be people that I want to engage with. The third thing that I do is I try to pick about 10 of my favorite people on LinkedIn and I ring their bell. What I mean by ringing their bell is I click that little bell notification so that when they post, I'm one of the first ones that sees that. I get a notification. Once I get that notification, I try to be one of the first people to get to their post to try to engage with it. And I don't just send an LOL or a like. I try to engage. I try to tell them, great post. I ask a question. I maybe try to contribute some knowledge to that. Those are 3 things that I've done to build up my profile to over 20 million views in 12 months. The 3 worst things that you can do on LinkedIn. 1, be salesy. Do not be salesy on this platform at all. No one wants a salesman. Number 2, don't throw endless links at us. We all know that you have products and things to sell. Don't just throw us links. Let us get to know you. The 3rd, don't stay invisible. What I mean by that is show your personality on this platform. Crack a joke. Be you. We are all professionals. We all have skills that we want everybody to know about. But be you. Let us get to know you and who you are. We will do our own research and learn about the products and services that you have to sell. Use the platform, connect and grow. Comment, let me know if you have any questions. Take care.